luxury real estate at its finest. What is luxury real estate? Well, depending on where you're located in America, it can mean different things. Here in Tallahassee, Florida, I would say luxury real estate is $650,000 and above value that's on the market. So let's talk about why this living room is luxury. Let's look at the floors. That's a luxury vinyl plank, okay? The baseboards, 5 1/4, okay, with a base cap. That's that piece of molding that's on top of the baseboards, okay? 2-inch faux blinds, okay? Your dining room light. I love dimmers, okay? I love dimmers. Dimmers gives people the option to provide different shades of illumination, okay? That's the dining room, okay? A lot of space. A lot of space. And here is your living room, okay? Let me go to the corner to show you how large that space is. Okay? 2 ceiling fans. We have six recessed lights in here. Okay? Let's walk over to the fireplace. Custom molding. That is not original. I got this idea from a TikTok video maybe. So that's trim along the bottom of the fireplace, and I left the original brick, okay? It's a dark, rich gray, and we painted the inside black. I thought it turned out beautiful, okay? Here's a little custom opening, okay, for pictures. Look at this. Nice. Okay, so luxury. Luxury is the type of flooring, your type of molding, the price point, and your finishes.